Welcome to the North Dakota Department of Correction and Rehabilitation's Parole Dashboard. This dashboard supports the agency's values by leveraging innovation, providing transparency, and fostering teamwork with our stakeholders. The Parole Dashboard is a tool allowing users to discover information about the types and lengths of sentences for those who have been released on parole. This tool provides a visual of sentencing. It does not focus on the aggregate sentence per individual. The top section, by the numbers, is designed to give you an overview of statistics for a given time period. If you hover over each number, a pop-up will appear to provide additional information about that statistic. For example, you will notice that 83 people were paroled in January 2023. There are 338 sentences affiliated with those 83 people. The dashboard analyzes and provides information about those 338 sentences. To better understand sentence completion methods and how they work, start by pressing the Click for More Sentence Info button. A pop-up with definitions will appear. You can sort and drill down for additional information. On the right, you can filter the data by gender and release date. You can click to get the selections you like. For example, to learn about the sentences for males released in January and February 2023, I will select the males in the gender filter, and I will click January 2023 and control-click February 2023. $111 men were paroled in these 2 months. They were in the DOCR for 448 sentences. The average length for those sentences was 2.4 years. 110 of the 448 sentences were expired or completed on or prior to parole. That means 25% of the sentences were completed before the individuals were released on parole. Of those 448 sentences, 11 were sex offenses. If you click on sex, you can see the methods by which those sentences were completed. The pie chart tells you that an average of 66% of the sentence was spent at a DOCR facility. 10% was in jail, 15% was good time, 9% on parole, and so on. To clear the filters, click on sex again, clear the gender filter and the parole date filter by clicking on the blackened squares. In keeping with the department's mission to transform lives, influence change, and strengthen community, our intention with this dashboard is to transparently provide information about parolees, types of offenses, and how sentences are served as we strive to support that mission. If you have questions, please reach out to Kaylee Richards, DOCR Public Information Officer, by sending an email to karichards@nd.gov.